Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove map option on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. Instagram has just launched a new feature called map feature, and I'm going to show you how we can use the map feature and how to remove the map from your Instagram. Okay, I'm going to open up my Instagram, and then you can go to the Instagram direct messages by clicking on this icon. And if you want to share your location guys, you can go to the notes here, and then you can select location tag and then add your note, and then just share it. And you can go to the map, and the notes with location will appear right here, and also the Instagram story with location tag. Okay, it will appear right here guys, and you can see or you can monitor your friend's location. Okay, these are the locations that you can monitor here. And if you want to turn off your location, you just need to delete the note. For example, as you can see, I have shared my location on my Instagram note, and if you want to remove the location, we can tap on the note, and then we can click on delete note. And you can also turn off your location by going to the setting menu, tap on the map, and then select the setting menu, and you can select no one, so your location won't be shared to everyone. Okay, I prefer to choose no one because this feature, it's a little bit scary because our followers and the other Instagram users can monitor our location, and maybe it will risk our privacy on Instagram. So I recommend you to turn it off unless you really need to share your location. Yeah, just delete your note. Delete the location on the note to remove it. Okay. And okay guys, that's all the way to remove map option on Instagram, or how to turn off the location note on Instagram. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.